You can kill me all you want. I'll still be right here. I'll just haunt you.
There you go. Okay.
You can kill me and I'll haunt you. Do it. See what happens.
What's up, Brite Nation?
What's going on, Brite Nation?
So today, as we're recording this right this second, it is Tuesday, January 28th. You're watching this on February 10th, and there's a very good reason why you're watching this on February 10th, and that is because today, on February 10th, the Gladiator Giveaway has officially begun.
But we have to tell you how, what, when, where, why, all those things.
We haven't done any of that. So today, while we're filming this, we are going to tell you how to win this.
Okay, so let's get into why we've been so secretive, and it's because there are rules, and the rules, we had to pay a company to write them, and it's very in-depth.
So you'd be surprised how hard it is to give something away for free.
Right.
It's not easy. There's a lot of laws involved and a lot of rules that have to be followed.
And a lot of money that we had to pay.
And a lot of money.
We don't even have to tell you how much, but it's
not free for us to give you something, apparently.
Thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars to do this.
But it's worth it.
Yeah.
It's worth it. So today, on Tuesday, January 28th, right now, as we're filming this, we are getting ready to go to Hawaii, which we fly out tomorrow. And we want to go over all this before that happens so that you have all the information you need starting on February 10th
to win this.
When the giveaway begins.
Yes.
Was that too confusing?
No.
So first off, to whoever wins the Gladiator, it will be cleaned before we give it to you because as you can see, Jelly has left her mark already.
Yeah, she's a shedder. Don't worry, guys. It'll be fully detailed for whoever wins it. Or you just get it with jelly fur, and maybe since it's gonna
if you want to keep the jelly fur for like memorabilia, just let us know. We won't detail it. But if you don't, we'll clean it.
I think we just leave it dirty.
Anyways, so officially the giveaway for this Gladiator begins on February 10th of 2020, and it will end on October 10th of 2020.
Right, now, the reason it's going to be so long, which it's really not that long, but it's over the course of almost the whole year, is because we have to build it first.
Which is going to take a while.
Right, and if you guys already seen some of the partnership logos on here, you know that we're not just throwing light bars and roof racks on the thing.
There's going to be a lot involved. We have a lot of surprises in store for the build of this Gladiator, and we need the time to do that.
Right.
In addition to that,
we have to go to Alaska.
We have to go to Alaska.
Which means that we're going to test it.
Yes.
Going to Alaska and back.
Yes.
And then we have events. We have EJS, we have Jeep Beach, we have, what's the one out Pigeon Forge? The Great Smoky Mountain Jeep Invasion.
Jeep Invasion.
So there's all these events we want to bring it to.
We want to bring it to you. We want to show it off. We want you guys to look at your potential future Gladiator. Right. So this isn't going to be this 1 month, boom, bam, done, thank you, ma'am, kind of a thing. This is actually going to be a full build, a full let's travel around the nation with it, and a full let's go to Alaska with Trail Recon, right?
Yeah.
And of course, another reason that we have this giveaway lasting for so long is because we want to give you guys as much opportunity and as much time as possible to rack up as many entries as possible. How do you win entries? I'll tell you in a second, because right now we're on errand number 1 for the day of getting ready to go to Hawaii, and that's to pick up the SD card from the drone that I left in the drone that we left in Utah.
But we're in Vegas.
And I need all that footage to edit the next several videos. So we have a friend bringing that to us. Okay, you guys, so we are at the Love Station just outside of Las Vegas, and our good friend Jake here, aka Code of the Jeep, which you might remember from some of our previous videos you've watched very recently, was ever so kind enough to drive all the way down from St. George, Utah. 2 hours in his Harley to bring me something very important.
A little baggy.
No one's watching.
I'm not giving you any money for this, though.
No, for real, it's just my micro SD card that was in our drone. And this right here and this guy right here are the only reasons that you were able to enjoy all the last 4 or 5 videos that you watched from the St. George area. Because without this and without him bringing it to me, those videos wouldn't have been possible.
And he's the first person to see.
And he's the first person to officially see The foster child in all of its new glory.
It looks amazing.
It looks so good. I'm so excited, right?
So good. So we're gonna practice this, right? You giving it away to me.
No.
So it seems like a big surprise.
My question is.
Oh wait.
Oh, God.
If you were to win it, would you keep the wrap as is, or would you peel it off?
It looks really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it really does look really good.
So, like, if you were to win it, you might actually leave it on.
Yeah.
We hope. So obviously,
curious.
if you win it, you can do whatever you want to. Yeah, it's your vehicle at that point. But we are really hoping that whoever wins it keeps this rad crap all on there, you know, because that's super dope looking. I think it is, at least. Jake, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
All right, now let's go over how you can win it. Now, most YouTube channels or companies, when they do vehicle giveaways like this, they typically require you to buy merchandise. And forever, how much you spend on merchandise determines how many entries you get, right? That is not the case with this Gladiator giveaway. This Gladiator is going to be an e3offroad.com giveaway.
Right. Now, you do want to subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell notification, because any updates, any new things that come along is going to be on here and you don't want to miss it.
Yeah, so throughout the entire build process, make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel so you know what's going on with it at all times. But to get entries, you will have to be an E3 Off-Road member. I had to make a quick pit stop at Walmart because Kevin forgot not only flip-flops, but also swim trunks. We're going to Hawaii, and Kevin forgot a swimsuit and flip-flops.
I was just going with my birthday suit, babe.
Okay, so here's the breakdown. Here's the official breakdown.
Pay attention.
This is how you are entering to win the Jeep Gladiator. If you are a free member of E3 Off-Road, you will get one entry per month that you are a free member between February 10th and October 10th. If you are a standard member of e3offroad.com, you will get 15 entries per month that you are a standard member. If you are a premium member of e3offroad.com between February 10th and October 10th, you will get 25 entries per month that you are a premium member. But wait, there's more. Bonus round.
There's bonus.
You can earn bonus entries. How do you do that, you ask? Very easy. You refer a friend. All E3 Off-Road members will be given a very unique member link, which you can find in your member profile when you're logged in, and will be emailed to you as well. If a friend uses your link to sign up for e3offroad.com, you will get one bonus entry. Guys, you might recognize this handsome fellow. This is Dave. So he is one of our film videographers, or one of our videographers for e3offroad.com. We're picking him up because he's going to be going to Hawaii with us to film all sorts of super rad behind the scenes information. Yeah, he's got way better camera gear than my iPhone. But yeah, guys, tell your wife, tell your kids, tell your friends.
To use your code, though.
Yeah, to use your code. But don't forget, too, that if you sign up as an affiliate for e3offroad.com, you can actually also make money through referrals while you're also earning entries to win a 2020 Jeep Gladiator.
You can literally win.
The possibilities are endless here.
You can literally get paid to win the Gladiator.
Yes.
By signing up as an affiliate as well. So if you're like an off-road club and you have a bunch of members,
possibilities are endless. All right, so again, between February 10th, right now, as you're watching this, all the way over to October 10th of 2020, you can get entries for the Gladiator. Guys, we're so excited. This is gonna be freaking awesome. Please stay tuned, not just on the Lite YouTube channel, but also on E3 Off-Road for all the rad updates, and especially for E3, all the rad discounts that are gonna be coming your way in addition to this bad boy here.
We offer a lot of big discounts.
It's gonna be so super duper awesome. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Remember, you can find all your Lite Brite Nation merch at litebritstudios.com. All of your Lite Brite Nation decals at pixeldecals.com. And of course, don't forget to sign up and register on e3offroad.com so you can win your entries so that you can possibly win this bad boy right here. We love you guys, and we will see you next time. Bye!
Say bye, Joey. miles an hour with a blown
Dude,
tire.
no way. We should definitely honk at him. There's no way he knows. What is happening? Oh God! Just be careful being behind him.